Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. So how to scan your computer for viruses even if you don't have any antivirus in your system. So today we have Windows 10 and I'm gonna quickly show you how to do that. So in order to do that, we can get into run commands. Just type MRT, and this is actually Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, and it's very powerful. You can scan your whole system without having any or without purchasing any antivirus into the Windows. So here you can see welcome to Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. So if you say next, you'll find these three options: full system scan and quick scan. So or you can customize your scan, or you can choose folder for target scanning. So quick scan, I normally go with this, and then it's going to start scanning your system. I already done that. So that's how you scan your Windows 10 without having any free antiviruses or any paid antiviruses. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.